Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Dollarama unboxing, unbagging. We already did part of it. These adorable Halloween crafts, which are big. They're the size of my hand. They're not little like this. They're big. So cool. I decided I would do my own video just for that because it's diamond painting theme. This is a different theme. So this will all be one video now. But I'm very excited. Look what they had at my Dollarama, you guys. Look at these beautiful cakes of yarn. Look at the colors and they feel nice. So this is Knit It yarn. It was $4.50 at Dollarama. It's a multi-tone yarn and it says jumbo gigantic. So there's 415 yards or 380 meters at 150 grams. That is a really good value for this. I hope it works up nicely. Now it's not as thick. Let me just pull up a little loop here. It's not like say as thick as Super Saver, but it's not super thin either. And I just bought a knitting machine. And I am super excited to use it. So I plan on making hats out of these. And maybe scarves. So I bought 2 balls of the blue and green. Would you say that's a light green or a gray? I thought it was gray, this middle thing, but now I'm thinking it's a green. So look at these colors. Aren't these luscious? So does it say the weight of these? It says 100% acrylic. Yeah, I can't see where it says what the weight of this yarn is. But yeah, like by weight, I mean like, is it number 4, number 5? You know what I mean? Like, is it worsted weight, sports weight? I don't know. It says jumbo, so does that mean it's jumbo? But it's not. It's not thick enough to be jumbo. I think they mean the actual size of the balls. These are nice cakes of yarn, and the colors are gorgeous. So I got 2 of these. I am so excited. Let me just move the bag away and I'll pull out more. And I got a pink theme. So it's got the light color in the middle. I can't tell if that's white or a super light pink. A light brown, a medium pink, and a darker, like almost a rose burgundy-ish color. So pretty. I've got 2 of those. I am very happy that they're carrying this yarn because I love yarn. I love yarn. And I have this one here, the black and white theme one. So I guess more gray, and to me I see this as white, but that's a light gray. So these are shades of gray with some black. Isn't that beautiful? And the other one, I accidentally pulled this off, but I want to keep that and maybe tape it back together. I just don't have any tape. Oh, wait, I do. Give me 1 second because I just find when it's new, I like to keep it together, you know? So I should have wrapped it first and then taped it, but here's the last one, the gray and white. So I can stack them like this. Are they going to stay? Yeah, they did. They stayed. Let's tilt you up a little bit. Now you can see my gigantic air conditioner in the corner. And there's more in the bag. Oh, I got myself a treat. M&M's peanuts, my favorite. I don't like the plain M&M's. I would rather have a Smartie than the plain M&M. I like the Smartie flavor better. But I love the M&M's peanuts. They're so good. So yeah, that's what I got from my haul from the Dollarama. And I'm so pleased with this. And if I like it, and if it works up well, I'm going to go back and get more because I think that's a really nice price. So that's Dollarama. I got to go back to my Dollar Tree because I heard that they have started selling more yarn at the Dollar Tree. The last time I went, they didn't have the pound of yarn that everyone's talking about. I don't know if they just don't have it in Canada or if it's just my store didn't have it or they were sold out or what. But when I'm feeling better, I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree and see what they have too. But I am stoked. And also the Dollarama had lots of other yarn. It was very hard not to walk out of there with all the yarn that they had, because some of it was like that real thick yarn for making teddy bears and stuffed animals and stuff, and I don't have any of that, like that thick, it looks like a chenille but thicker. So I want to go back and get some of that. But I just wanted to start with this because I want to make some hats on my knitting machine. The one that I want to use for these has not yet come in the mail, but my smaller one came in. Where did I put it? Let me just quickly show you. This is a small Centro knitting machine, but this only makes like preemie sized hats, and it can make stuffed animals. You can make socks with this. And if you go side to side, if you make panels instead of circular things, you can make bigger things on this too. I haven't tried it yet. I've just unboxed it. I'm just doing a lot of unboxings today, back to back. So anyway, I'm going to wait because this is the tiny one. This has got 22 pins. And I got a bigger one that's 48 that I want to use for these to make adult size hats as gifts for my family for Christmas. So it doesn't matter that it's not in yet. It'll be in a week or two because I ordered the big one from Temu. Because the big one I ordered from Temu cost almost exactly the same as this little one that I got off Amazon. And that was my fault for ordering off Amazon without checking Temu. But I was just so excited I put it in my cart and got it. So you can look forward to a lot more yarn-based crafts on the channel in the next little while. And I also want to do some more crocheting. I love crochet. Anyway, I think I'm going to eat these as soon as I'm done this video. They are calling to me. Do you guys like M&Ms? So let me know if you've seen these yarns at your Dollarama, and if you tried them, and if you have, how you like them, and how do they work up. I've never used like these kind of cake yarns before. I've used variegated yarn before, but I've never used like where there's one color in the middle, then another. So I don't know how that will work out. Will it make stripes? I don't know. Bands? I have no idea. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Alright guys, so I'm going to stop here. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe and happy crafting. Bye guys.